root knot disease of vegetables. Root knot. So swellings occur on the root, and such swellings they are considered as knot. As they are on root, the disease is called as a root knot disease. So particularly in vegetables, root knot disease, it occur on the plant like tomato, or sometimes on carrot even. Nematodes are responsible for the cause of this disease. Root knot nematodes, commonly they try to affect tomato plants and other vegetable crops even. In different parts of the country, peanut root knot nematode is also identified, and here on the screen you can see the root knots. See, such structures, swellings, they occur due to the infection due to the nematodes. So one of the disease related with the root knot diseases of vegetable is root knot of tomato is a nematodal disease. Its pathogen is Melidogyne javanica. So host plant tomato, Lycopersicum esculentum. Disease belongs in the category nematodal disease, and pathogen is Melidogyne javanica. So due to infection by this nematode Melidogyne javanica, root knots they are formed, and in case of tomato plant they are very distinctive, just like formation of galls or knots on the roots. The above ground symptoms which occur on the foliage, that is leaves color becomes paler than normal one. Affected plants remain stunted. Such plants wilts, and large and small roots contain swellings which vary from rounded galls to elongated spindles. Like these structures one can observe on the underground part. So in brief, related with the pathogen, that is Melidogyne javanica. So its eggs are ellipsoidal, somewhat concave on one side. Larvae are formed within the eggs. The female, after fertilization, eggs are laid by the female in a gelatinous mass extruded from the vulva, vulva. About 300 to 600 eggs are laid by the female nematode. Numerous female nematodes are found in galls situated on the infected roots. Nematodes can survive in plant debris even. After being liberated from the eggs, larvae move in the soil and the speed of movement is very slow. They can cover just 1 feet distance in 1 month. And in case of sandy soil, up to 8 feet depth even these nematodes are observed. Most of the larvae they are found in soil strata of upper 2 feet. During movement in the soil, larvae are being affected by several physical, chemical and biological factors. Larvae dies at 40 to 50 degrees Celsius temperature. In summer season, all larvae become dead in the upper 2 to 3 inches of soil. The speed of movement of larvae is very slow in heavy soil moisture. The speed of movement of larvae is highest in loamy soil, which is deficient in oxygen, and therefore intensity of disease is highest in such soils. In loamy soil, the intensity of disease is higher. When larvae come in contact with the host roots, roots are attacked by the sap exuded from them. Larvae they are being attracted by the sap extruded from them and being collected in clumps around the roots. Ultimately, the roots are infected by the larvae. Larvae penetrate roots